Now let's begin by creating our first collection. I'll start by clicking on Create Collection here, and we will give our collection a title. I'll name this one Women's, and this collection will house all of my women's clothing. You can add a description if you'd like. I don't usually do this though. One thing I do want to do, however, is add in an image for this collection. You can do this by clicking on Add Image, but in my case, I've prepared some images off camera, so I'll drag and drop it here. Once that's done uploading, I'll click on Done. And in just a moment, we'll see the image populate right here. Here's our collection's image. Back on the left-hand side, we can choose our collection type between manual and smart. I like to have a little bit more control, so I typically go for the manual collection type. But if you have a lot of products on your store, it can be the right option to choose smart occasionally. Now let's scroll down and start adding in the products to our collection. I'll click on Search Products here, and I'll type in Women's. And now we'll see all of our women's clothing appear here. I want to select each one of these here, and then I'll click on Add in the bottom right. Now all of my women's clothing has been added to my women's collection, and once I'm done, I'll scroll down and click on Save in the bottom right. With that done, I've created my first collection, and if I go back, we'll see it appear right here. Now I'm going to go through the exact same process and create a men's collection and a new arrivals collection. So I'll do that using the exact same steps I just showed you and meet you in just a moment. Now, as you can see here, I've created a couple new collections. I have my new arrivals, my men's, and my women's collections.